cooking for our dinner. It's afternoon right here. It's 5 na. I'm waiting for my babe. Hindi pa siya umuwi. Alright, so I have some chica for today kasi I've got 2 messages actually na. Oh, look at that, the oil. I was actually after into the natural light before this natural light turns off. Kasi ano na, 5 na. And so, what I'm gonna, I have some chica today about kung paano ako, ano yung mga preparation ko kung naghahanap ako ng trabaho. This is just like a casual talk, like, you know, feeling mo kaharap lang kita kausap. This is just only my personal experience, so I don't know what's your secret. I think it's worth sharing. A friend of mine sa Facebook nag-inbox sa akin na, oh, that's nice na, you know nga, madali lang ako nakahanap kahit baguhan pa ako sa isang city or sa isang state kasi pangalawang business ko na to. I've been here for 1 year and few months na. So, ganon. Unang-una na ginawa ko back then, because guys, I don't have any outline with this. I'm just going to talk whatever as I'm trying to remember at the top of my head. So, unang-unang ginawa ko is actually, nagana ko, in-update ko muna yung LinkedIn profile ko. What is a LinkedIn profile, guys? LinkedIn, this one. I'm going to put their website in the description box so that you can check this out as well to see it for yourself. I could not think anything like LinkedIn nowadays because this is the largest social network for working professional website. Na you can think of any. I can't think of any companies na walang LinkedIn profile nowadays. Okay? I don't know sa Pinas kasi iba naman yung style natin sa Pinas, 'di ba? Nalaman ko tong LinkedIn maybe 5 years ago, back single pa ako noon. Na-involve ako ng wine company. So yun ko nalaman ng website and doon ko nag-start nag-develop ng my own profile. Oh, my baby's here. So, open! This is actually naka-receive din ako ng opportunity through LinkedIn sa Pinas pa ha. That's why it's very important na to have a LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn profile looks like a resume, but the difference is this resume of yours will be visible, okay, to the whole world. You have the option to hide it as well. So, yan. So, para talaga siyang resume, guys. Yan lang. And the second thing that I did actually update my resume. When I say update my resume, update the style, the outline, the updated outline, not the old one. Basta, I did some research, ano yung pinaka-updated na outline. Very simple, but compelling. Double check the spelling or the grammar. Sometimes I oversight those things as well. Okay. The reason why you have to take those actions sa pag-update ng resume, it's because most company nowadays is using ATS. ATS means applicant tracking system. So company invested the software, you know, to make sure that their time of their hiring manager will not be wasted in hiring people. So, ganon. That's the purpose there. No, irony, this is the reality na it takes 4 hours for us to complete our resume. But pagdating sa manager or sa hiring manager, it would only take like 6 to 8 seconds na ma-reject siya. Okay? So, 6 to 8 seconds, they want to make a decision if they wanted to continue reading your resume. When you make a resume, guys, when you're being asked what was your position and what was your experience, when you say experiences, guys, what does it mean is they want to know what was your contribution, what was your accomplishment while working in that company. So, yun yung mga experiences na ilalagay mo every company that you work with. And, ayan. But, ano naman, may mga company naman dito na hindi masyadong ganyan. After that, yung ginawa ko is, I make sure na I posted it in every job site na pwedeng i-post ko. And then, yan. After creating and polishing your resume, go ahead and head over to any kind of job site, website, like a job posting site. Here in US, we have Indeed, ZipRecruiter, Glassdoor, what else, babe? Dice for tech people. When you create a profile to those job posting site, then try to make some effort as well. If you receive a phone call or an email from a recruiter, because usually the process here for an interview is phone interview and then on site. So for phone interview, they usually would going to ask if you're available at this time or tomorrow. On the phone interview, then I would suggest to give a little bit time for yourself to go back and study the company. And study if maybe they have a software. They have a software that you have to know, and that would be advantage of you if you are like more ahead from the rest, from the rest of the applicants. So 1 to 2 days to prepare yourself. You just need to put effort and have faith in yourself, be confident, and be optimistic. Don't be discouraged.
Learn new skills. Learn new skills.
Learn new skill. Yan! So, that's it for today, guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye! Saba, okay. Alright, so...
So yeah.
Stop!